Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, in this video I would like to tell you about the understanding statistic economy. So before we start to the topic, let me introduce myself. My name is Chika Bian Trufani and I'm from Management Study Program. My class is Management B and my NPF is 23411140. And first we will start about the topic of understanding statistics. Let's restart to the topic. So guys, the first one is understanding statistics, navigating the realm of economic data. Statistics play a crucial role in the field of economics, providing a structured approach to interpreting and making sense of the vast amounts of data that shape our economic landscape. In this presentation, we will explore the fundamental concept of statistics and how they empower economics to make informed, data-driven decisions that drive economic growth and stability. And then is defining statistics, the language of data-driven decision making. The first is, what is statistics? So statistics is the science of collecting, organizing, analyzing, and interpreting data to uncover meaningful patterns and insights. It provides a structured approach to understanding the world around us, from economic trends to customer behavior. And the two is the importance of statistics in economics. In the realm of economics, statistics is essential for making informed decisions, forecasting future outcomes, and evaluating the effectiveness of economic policies. By leveraging statistical analysis, economics can navigate to copper web of academic data and translate AI into actionable insight. And three is case statistical concept. The core statistical concept that underpin economic analysis include measures of central tendency, mean, median, and mood, measures of reliability, for example, standard deviation, variance, probability distribution, hypothesis testing, and regression analysis. So next we will stay about measuring central tendencies, exploring means, median, and modes. Mean. The mean or average is the sum of all data points divided by the total number of data points. It provides a measure of the central tendency, giving us a sense of the typical or average value in dataset. The two is median. The median is the middle value in the dataset. When data is arranged in order, is it less sensitive to outliers than the mean, making it useful measure of central tendency for skewed or non-symmetric distribution. And the three is mode. The mode is the value of appears the most frequently in a dataset. It can be useful for identifying the most one or typical value, especially in dataset with discrete and then categorical data. And then is regression analysis, uncovering relationship in economic phenomena. The first one is simple linear regression. Regression analysis is a powerful tool that allows economics to quantify the relationship between a dependent variable, the culture, and the outcome, and one or more independent variables, the predictors. Simple linear regression models the linear relationship between a single independent and dependent variable. The two is multiple regression. In many economic scenarios, multiple factors can be influence of outcome of interest. Multiple regression extend the linear model to include several independent variables, enabling economic to understanding the relative importance and then combine effect of these factors. And the three is regression insight. Regression analysis provides economic with value insight, such as the strength and direction of a relationship, the statistical significance of predictor, and the ability to make forecasts and predictors based on the estimate model. This insight creates economic decision making and policy. And then is quantifying variability, utilizing measure of dispersion. The first one is range. The range is the difference between the highest and lowest value in a dataset. It provides a simple measure of the overall spread and or variability of the data. And the two is variance and standard deviation. Variance and standard evaluation in more sponsorship measure of dispersion. Variance quantifies the average squared deviation from the mean, while standard deviation is the square of root of the variance, distance of data point from the mean. And the three is interpreting variability. Understanding measures of variability is crucial in economic, as it helps analysis assess the stability and predictability of economic phenomena. High variability may indicate high risk or uncertainty, while low variability suggests more consistent and reliable partners. And then is probability distribution, unveiling the patterns in economic data. The first one is normal distribution. Many economic variables, such as income, stock return, and consumer spending, trend to follow a normal distribution. Normal distribution characterized by bell-shaped curve. Understanding the property and normal distribution, such as the 6, 18, and 1995. The two is other distribution. While the normal distribution is widely used, economics also encounter other probability distribution, such as the binomial, Poisson, and exponential distribution, each with their own unique character and application. And the three is distributional insight is analyzing the shape, central certainty, and variability of probability distribution can make insight into the underlying economic process, helping economists and make more informed decision and predictors. Okay, and then is hypothesis testing, inferring insight from sample population. The first one is null and alternative hypothesis. Hypothesis testing begins by your formula A, null hypothesis HD, and alternative votes like HT. And the two is drawing conclusion. By conducting rigorous hypothesis and testing, economic can make inference about the evaluate the effectiveness of economic package, understand consumer behavior, and make more informed decision. And the three is Statistical significance. Economic use statistics such as test and ANOVA to determine the probability of observing the sample data given a null hypothesis is true. If the probability or value is less than the Gaussian significance bar, the model custom is value is less than Gaussian and extopia and significance level. The null hypothesis is rejected and alternative hypothesis is support. And then is time series analysis, tracking trends and forecasting economic outcome. The first one is time series data. Time series data, which represent the evolution of variable over time, is crucial economics. Analyzing the series data, we can reveal patterns, trend, and seasonal fluctuation that inform economic decision making. Making policy formulation. And the two is forecasting techniques and interpreting time series. And then so this is way we can use to applying statistics in economics, real world, and case studies. So guys, the conclusion is leveraging statistics for informed economic decision. Is the first one is in conclusion, statistics plays a fundamental role in the field of economics, providing a structure and analytical framework for understanding complex economic phenomena. By mastering the key statistical concepts and techniques covered in this presentation, economics can unlock valuable insight, make informed decisions, and contribute to the ongoing progress and development of the global economy. And the last one is, as we know forward, the continued integration of statistics and data-driven analysis will be crucial for navigating the ever-evolving economic landscape, addressing challenges, and seizing new opportunities. By embracing the power of statistics, economic can be enhance their decision-making capabilities, enhance policy formulation, and drive sustainable economic growth and prosperity. I think that's all from me, guys, and have a nice day. See you, goodbye, and bye bye.